Welcome to the tutorial, SolidCAM interface. Import easily and for free individual articles or tool lists with or without cutting data in your SolidCAM tool library. This how-to video is valid from SolidCAM version 2021 Service Pack 4. For earlier versions, please follow the download instructions on inocam.innovatools.eu. Start SolidCAM and open a tool library with the entry tool assemblies. Select the Import Tools from Third-Party module and open the INOCAM interface with a double click. You are now directly on the Tool Finder tab because the interface has already been selected. You first have the option of using the article number search if you are already familiar with the INOVATools article numbers. Enter an article group or a complete article number. If you enter another number, it will be added to the list of search results. Afterwards, you can select or deselect all or individual articles. If you want to create application-related tool lists, then use the complex search and start with the technology checkboxes. Select a material, a tool category, other features, or dimensions. For example, you can export a tool list especially for a material to be machined in combination with a category and the first choice. Now transfer the list from the tool finder to the download page. If you want to add the InnoCut cutting data to the XML, activate the checkbox. You can now delete individual articles, entire article groups, or all articles. Then click on the download button and the tools will be automatically imported into SolidCAM. You can select all tools with the Shift key and send them to the storage with the right mouse button. With the tool viewer you can see the realistic 3D model, which was imported using parametric coordinates. In the Topology 2D Sketch module, you can view the geometry data and even change it if necessary. If you have selected the cutting data in INOCAM, then the technology data has been imported. Choose the recommended cutting data depending on the respective purpose, material and cutting width or depth. INOCAM, the portal of digital twins and technology data. Use this free service from InnovaTools and save a lot of time. Thank you and goodbye.